Alright, welcome to Appalachian Sawmill and Farm, where we sawmill for profit and we sawmill for the farm. So today we're going to try something I've never done before, and I'm hoping it makes me rich and I don't have to work anymore. I can just go live on the beach somewhere. Not really. Anyways, so what we're doing today is we're making hardwood tomato steaks. These guys right here. They're roughly 1.25 inches by 1.25 inches, about 5 feet long. And if they don't work as tomato steaks, you can beat the crap out of somebody with them. Anyways, yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to fire up the old sawmill here, Frontier OS 31, and we're going to cut some logs into these tomato steaks. And as you'll see, I should have just cut this first log up into firewood. So a whole lot of waste for not a lot of steaks. So, all right, let's get to sawing. Alright, I'm back. You didn't even know I left though, did you? I'm sneaky like that. Alright, so this is why nobody likes to saw these crooked logs. What a pain in the butt. Alright, let's get this thing into some kind of camp and see if we can't produce something. Maybe a little lower. Make sure we're not going to modify a log saw. Watch out, people! Oh, chestnut oak's heavy. by 3. Measure them up. 5 feet, which is right there. These dudes here, I need to do them like in 3-footers or something. Alright, we've got a saw. there's another thing to do off of that little crappy log. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I guess I could use them for stickers. So, 16, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Pretty happy. And I haven't sawed any at all this winter. I'm not in the groove again. I mean, if you don't do this all the time, man. Oh, I didn't videotape it, but I dropped the log on with the skid steer. Didn't have my log stops up, and it went shooting off in and hit the side by side. Just like, geez, first day. So, I think pretty happy with that. Where are you at here? So, like I say, 28. That first log was horrible. There's a reason why you don't cut crooked logs like that. I'd been better off to slab that out, I think. Somebody would have bought something. I had somebody here yesterday looking, and they weren't curvy enough. I was like, good grief. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna slap these up on Marketplace to see how they fly. I'm probably gonna wrap them, put them in bundles of 10, something like that, and then shrink wrap the area. I have some of that stretch wrap the ends. I think that's what I'm going to do, and sell them in bundles of 10. Alright guys, so we got these stakes all cut, 5 feet, inch and a quarter. Some of them are right around 1.5 inches, just whatever was left at the bottom, I left them. Well, I'm going to let you go. I appreciate you watching, and hit that subscribe button. Like I said, this is a brand new channel. This is a secondary channel to my Appalachian Farmstead channel. We're doing a lot of sawmilling this year, and it just people that watch the homestead videos, I don't think they really dig the sawmilling videos as much as most people, so that enjoy this kind of thing. Everybody, the dudes like the man glitter, the sawdust. So yeah, I really appreciate it. And again, leave me a comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, or if I'm not doing something right, or if I'm doing it right, and what do you want to see, because I'm going to keep doing this. I got couple other ideas, but I got a whole bunch of rabbit hutches. I have to saw a whole bunch of 4x4s and 2x4s, and a bunch of siding for that stuff. So we're expanding our rabbit operation on the farmstead. So, all right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time. Hit that subscribe, and give me a thumbs up.